Hi everyone, welcome. This is StardustLV and today I'm going to share with you my updated Chanel crossbody collection. Updated in the sense that this is my current collection. I might have bought some bags in the past that didn't work for me if you will not be able to see it here. But right now, these are the Chanel bags that I currently have and been keeping, and let's get started. So first we have this Chanel rectangular mini, the 19B collection. I think this is the last caviar leather that was produced in the rectangular mini, and this is the iridescent caviar in black, and the pink version of this is being sold now as $8,000. It's crazy, right? Because of the demand. I chose the black color for a neutral look, and I am not a pink person. Got this in ruthenium hardware, and inside has a beautiful leather lining. This is my only chevron Chanel bag. It has held up so well as the shape is still intact. I am not reaching for this as often, appreciating the gold hardware, but I still love this to be a part of my collection. And the next one is this Chanel red walk, and this is in beautiful lipstick red in caviar leather, gold hardware. And I really like this because it's like a classic red, this walk, and I bought a organizer. I put more stuff in here. I removed the organizer, but it's just not nice to have an organizer that could keep the shape when storing the purse. And this is my red caviar walk. I'm gonna do some mud shots at the end so you'll be able to see how it looks on me. I'm 5'4" and close to, I think, 125 pounds. So the next one is beautiful business affinity. I really love this purse. I think this is my most functional Chanel purse, as it has a short handle. It is a little bigger than my other Chanel purse, and it has a big CC lock closure, and its side has this beautiful burgundy textile lining, and it also has a zipper here and a slip pocket here, and also a zipper compartment here. I don't usually close this zipper, as this zipper may cause scratch here on the leather flap, so I just put it on each sides. And I really love this quilted zipper pull and CC logo here, so it is nice to see it at the side as well if you're closing the purse. And you can see the beautiful zipper pull on each side. Lock closure on each side as well. If you want the purse to be a little smaller, you can just close this for a smaller look. And if you have a lot of stuff inside, you can just remove this closure here at the side, like so. So I don't usually close this. I just leave it open, and it has maintained the shape as well. And I love the practicality of this purse. And I will also link in the description down below my unboxing and my styling options on this business affinity, my unboxing and my other videos on each of the purse, so that you'll be able to check on it if you are interested in any of the purses here. I also love the feet at the bottom. I think, in my opinion, the business affinity is really a workhorse Chanel purse in caviar leather, as I often reach for this if I don't want to baby any purses in my Chanel collection. I grab this business affinity, and it has held up so well. And I also love the slip pocket here at the back. The next one is this mini vanity Chanel crossbody purse, and I really love this, as this is so cute, and it has a lipstick holder here, and then you can also fit a card holder, and then some lotion. And if you can see, this may be small, but if you can look at this bulky Chanel lotion, it will fit inside, and it will fit more as well. So I really love this, as See, as it can fit also a card holder inside if you put it diagonally, and you can close this easily like so. So if I am using this, I have to make sure that I have pockets for my cell phone. I will wear a jean shorts or a jean pants so I can put the cell phone at the back pocket of my jeans, and the rest of the stuff inside this purse. Reissue mini in beautiful red color and shiny gold hardware, and I really love this. I bought this out of impulse as I really love the look of it. Like, it is just so classy and elegant, and if you're gonna put it on, it's nice to have a pop of color that you can just pair it with any of your outfits. And inside also has this leather lining, which is very beautiful, and it has held up so well as well. And this is the single flap, because the Reissue small, I think, has the additional flap, and this mini doesn't have any, which is good as it will not add to the weight of the purse. So this is my Reissue mini, and it has no feet at the bottom, and I love that this one has leather lining. My last Chanel purse that I got on my birthday was this Pearl Crush mini in champagne gold hardware, and I love that it has this vintage ball that they brought back and added this adjustable mechanism for the strap. This one is in lambskin leather, antique gold or champagne gold hardware. It has puffy quilting also here at the bottom and on each sides, and inside has this beautiful gold leather lining, and it has also a zipper compartment here at the back and another slip pocket here in front, and it looks just so pretty. The lambskin is so soft, and I bought organizer to go with it just to maintain the shape. And I cut this in here as this is a custom-made organizer, meaning to say I measured the purse and then it was made for this bag. However, I think I measure it up too high, and it is hard for me to close the bag since it has a taper look here. So I cut this into half, almost half. I cut it all out and have this remaining, and if I put it inside here, I can easily close the bag. So if I store it, I put the organizer inside. However, if I carry this bag, my cell phone won't fit in, so I usually remove this out so my cell phone will fit. Or if I'll just put my cell phone and maybe one card holder, I need to put the cell phone diagonally, and then one card holder. So I won't be able to fit much if I'm gonna put this inside. So I really have to size down. So I usually remove this and just put it whenever I store it, just to maintain the shape of the purse. So I love that this can be worn crossbody, on the shoulder, or as a belt bag. So this is so versatile. If you will look at my other videos on this, I mentioned in there that the quilting is not as puffy as the regular mini. So I guess because of the vintage look that it has, since this is in vintage, I don't mind even if this is not as puffy as the other square mini, as the look goes hand in hand with this vintage ball chain. So which one is your favorite? And thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for the mud shots, because I'm gonna show you how it looks on me. And I think for now I'm satisfied with what I have, and would like to maybe add a tote in the future, but for now I'm just happy with all these small crossbody Chanel purses that I have. So see you guys at the mud shot, and please do like this video if you like it. Please do subscribe. So I'll see you all again next time. Take care, everyone. Bye.